So I wanted to talk a little bit about crypto. Um, if you watch the news, it's July 2022, and you start seeing posts about the SEC and crypto regulation. So the big question here is cryptocurrency a security? The SEC's position is pretty clear now that they're determining that just about every type of crypto is going to be considered a security, which means that they can regulate it. A security, basically under the Howey test, which is a case that came out, is an investment of money in a common enterprise with an expectation of a return based on the efforts of others. So those four factors it probably qualifies for, because basically it's an investment that the return is going to be based upon the effort of others. The you know what effort of others in terms of cryptocurrency, when it's not an actual business that's doing out manufacturing products, providing services, is there technically efforts of others? That's questionable, but the SEC has just found, I think, nine others, July 21st, nine other cryptocurrencies to be considered securities, which means that once it's considered a security, the SEC can now regulate it. So to regulate the offering and selling and trading of cryptocurrency. So if you own cryptocurrency, it may or may not affect you. But if you're involved in a company, let's say you start a company and you want to create a cryptocurrency, or you want to trade cryptocurrency, or somehow you're involved with it, you're suddenly now dealing with a highly regulated industry, with crypto being most likely a security. That brings into account things like, okay, well, the insider trading provisions come in, and the anti-fraud rules, the federal anti-fraud rules on securities come into play. So the SEC continues to ramp up the amount of people on their enforcement team against crypto, and they're just going to continue to do so. So it's going to become more and more highly regulated. It's probably going to be a mess, but you need to understand that you need to act as if any kind of crypto is going to be considered a security. That means if you're involved in a crypto company, that you need to treat trading in crypto as if it was a security, like any other registered stock. So Coinbase recently was subject to enforcement action, or not necessarily Coinbase, but people involved in Coinbase, for insider trading and securities fraud. Basically, they knew inside information about certain cryptocurrencies. They're alleging that they traded and made a profit before the public knew about this information about a cryptocurrency. So they illegally insider traded to obtain a profit that others couldn't get. So we'll see where that case goes, but the SEC is continuously going after people for issues related to crypto. So you need to treat anything involving crypto coin offerings as a security. Make sure you talk to Securities Counsel, who are experienced and can talk you through some of the potential issues. If you have a crypto company, you need to look at things like 10b5 plans. You need to think about other regulations, insider trading policies for your company, to make sure that at least protect yourself from issues of employees or anyone at the company understanding the implications of what's considered insider trading based on information about that cryptocurrency that the public may not know about. And in the future, you may have to actually register or find an exemption to raise capital by the sale of cryptocurrency. So we'll see where this goes, but make sure that you stay on top of this, because the issue of whether it is a security can have a significant impact on investors and on companies involved in crypto.